everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm starting today's video off a little bit different, look maybe a little bit rough. I have got a tanned face, to be honest though. I've been using my tanning drops and I absolutely love them. They make being barefaced a little bit more bearable. Anyways, in today's video I'm going to be doing my pamper routine. So this is something that I do like maybe every now and then. I don't do it all the time. These odd few things I do every night, like my skincare routine and like having a shower or a bath. But tonight I'm going full on in. I want a good old pamper session. I want to have a bath, candles, face mask, maybe a nose pore strip. I want to do my nails as well, I think. So we're going to have a good pamper session and I thought I'd bring you along with me. But just before we go into the rest of this video, I hope you liked my new intro that played on this video. I love it. It's amazing. I could not thank Emma enough for doing it. She's called Video Editor M on Instagram, so make sure you go and check her out because she's amazing. She was so good to work with and her work's just incredible. Like, she's insane. So that is who created this lovely intro for me. And yeah, I couldn't be any happier with it. I absolutely love it. So let me know what you all think of it down in the comments below. And without further ado, let's get on into this video. So, first things first, I think I need to have a bath. I need to go run that now. The state of my room, I need to tidy this all up. So I'm going to do that while my bath's running. Have a nice bubble bath. I need to wash this hair because it's greasy. Let's go and run the bath and then I can tidy this room up a little bit. So this is my landing. This is what is happening. This is what we've been painting today. We've been painting the banister rails and yeah, it was a very hard job. We haven't finished yet. We've still got this banister to do and then up the whole downstairs banister too. But that is what we've been painting today, and all the carpet's been took up as well because we're having new carpets. So we're going to the bathroom. So I'm going to run the bath, make it nice and bubbly, ready for me to get in. So that's my bath running, as you can hear. Now I'm just going to tidy this room up a little bit, like I said, and just get it ready for when I get out, so then it's all nice and clean. Bedroom is all clean, which it looks so much better now. So nice. My cat blends into that cushion, but she just always chills here with me. Don't you, Tilbert? Tilly. Hello. Let's go and check the bath while we're at it. Oh yeah, it's getting nice and full now. I'm going to use this Kaleidoscope 2-in-1 body wash and bubble bath. This is from Bath & Body Works when me and Sam went to New York, and it's incredible. I love the smell of it. I'm going to put the rest of that in there. It smells insane. Right, I am now currently sat in the bath. As you can see, I've got my swimming costume on. And the lighting's really weird in here, so just excuse that. The lighting's just going to have to be weird for these next few clips. But I'm going to show you my little setup that I've got going on. So here is what I'm looking at. So I have my phone, I have my iPad, I have this little mirror, which you can see me in. Hello. And then I have my little headband, and I have this face mask to try out in today's video, which I am so excited for. I can't wait to try this. I've had this for quite a while now, and I've been meaning to do this video for ages, just so then I could try this out. But yeah, so it's the Alya Skin Pink Perfect Australian Pink Clay Mask, and I've heard so many good things about this mask. I have all of my stuff on this little tray, which you would have seen if you watched my quarantine vlog. Over there I have some little candles. I have a little wax melt, and then I have two little tea lights. I don't know what's going on with this little tea light. He's not feeling it today, I don't think. And then over here I have my shampoo, my conditioner, and then my body wash. You're gonna have to excuse this angle because it's an awful angle. My hair is a complete mess. I'm gonna put my headband on and just get my hair out of my face. Ready to put this face mask on. There we go. the hair's all out of my face. My ears look really weird now. This is the face mask that I'm going to be trying today. I cannot wait to try this, like I said. It just comes in this little box, and then you get a little thank you note inside, which is really sweet. I've heard nothing but good things about this. This is what the little tub looks like. Really nice and simple but effective. Just says Alya Skin there. So this is cruelty free and vegan as well, and it's just Alya Skin Pink Perfect Australian Pink Clay Mask, detoxify and brighten, which I need. I really need. So I'm going to pop this mask on. I'll leave it on for 10 minutes like it says, and obviously I'm going to be doing my normal skincare routine when I get out anyway. So let's try this mask out. I have got a little foundation brush to put on with it, because I prefer to put my face mask on with these types of brushes. It's just so much easier. I could never use my finger to put on the face mask. Oh, it's quite a thick texture, as you can see. It's not runny at all. It's very thick. Looks like strawberry mousse. Is the mask all applied? It applied really easily, to be fair, but I'm looking a little bit crazy right now. So what's going to happen now is, obviously I've got to leave it on for 10 minutes, so hopefully it does my skin some good. My skin's in such a need of detoxifying and everything like that, so hopefully it does it like some good. It is currently 20 to 9, so I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes, so that's until 10 to 9, then I'll wash it off. And yeah, so while I'm waiting for them 10 minutes to pass, I'm gonna just watch a little bit of YouTube on my iPad and just chill out for a little bit. Right, looking very crazy. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm so hot in this bath. So I don't think it's fully dried altogether because I'm like sweating. It's so hot in this bath. But yeah, I'm gonna wash this off now. It feels like tight on my cheeks and that, as you can see. I'll wash this off now, and then I'm gonna wash my hair, wash my body, get out the bath, and then I will get back to you once I'm in my pyjamas and back in my bedroom, because you don't really need to see me washing my hair and that because it's just a bit boring. So I will get back to you once I'm in my bedroom. So I'm back in my room again now. Look how cozy it looks. Oh my god, I just can't wait to get in that bed later. I love my bed so much. I need to dry my hair and then we can chill out. I'm gonna do my nails. I think I'm gonna paint my nails, file them, cut them. I think I might paint my toenails as well. I was gonna fake tan tonight, but I only fake tan the other day, and it's just on that stage of like, it's still there, but it needs scrubbing off nearly. So I think I've got like a day left with it. I think the face mask took most of my face tan off, or I'm just really red because the bath was so hot. Anyways, I'm gonna dry my hair now and then we can get on to the rest of the pamper evening. For my hair at the minute, just ignore what I look like because this is crazy. It's gonna look crazy until it's dried. But for my hair at the minute, I've been using my mum's Revlon like blow dryer, and this is amazing. It gives you the most softest blow dry ever. Well, it does my hair anyway. It feels insane. And then I've also been using this Schwarzkopf Gliss hair repair conditioner liquid silk. So it's like a spraying conditioner and it's so good. I love it. I've only been using it this week because I only just recently bought it, but it's amazing. I really like this as well, so I definitely recommend this too. So I'm gonna get on, do my hair. I'll probably time lapse this because it's a bit boring. this is what my hair looks like now. It just gives it that really nice flick at the ends, and it's just so soft. So that is my hair all done. I'm looking a little bit less crazy now, which is good. It's all nice, soft, clean, not greasy anymore, which is good. Now I need to do my skincare, like my moisturizer and my spot serum and things like that. I'm currently sat on my bed. I'm just about to do my little bit of skincare. So because I've been in the bath, and obviously I had the face mask on, and then I cleansed my face with, it's my Alya Mist cleanser, so I used that, cleansed my face, and then obviously got out of the bath and did whatever else I needed to do. I was going to do my nose pore strip, but because I did that face mask, I feel like I don't need to do that tonight. And I only did one of those a few days ago as well, so I don't really feel like I need to do a nose pore strip now, so I'm going to leave that out. But for now I'm going to do my rest of my skincare routine. So at the minute I've been using this niacinamide. I don't even have a clue how to say it, but it's by The Ordinary. This is my 3rd bottle of this stuff. I've been using this for months and months now. I think I started using this back in July last year or September time, so I've been using this for ages, and this is my 3rd bottle of this. I love it that much. It's so good for reducing acne scars and spot scars. It's niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. There we go. So that is the serum, and then I use The Ordinary moisturizer as well. This is a new buy for me. I've not used this before. Well, I have been using it this week, but I've not bought this before, and I've been using it for the past few days, and it is really good as well. It's really nice thick moisturizer. My skin gets quite dry around my T-zone. I do have combination skin, so sometimes it's really oily and then other times it can be really dry, so it's all just hit and miss really with my skin. So yeah, I apply this first, let that soak in, and then I apply my moisturizer. So that is what I'm quickly gonna do now. So now I'm gonna just apply my moisturizer. I'm gonna apply it to my nose, my forehead, and just the places where I get really dry. So just basically my T-zone area. So that is my moisturizer on, and now I'm just going to quickly apply my Nivea lip balm just to make my lips a little bit more moisturized as well. So there we go, that is my skincare done. I just do the simplest routine ever. My skin is so sensitive, so I don't really like to use many products on my skin at once. That's why I like to stick to a cleanser, and then obviously that little serum and a moisturizer, and then that's it. So now I am craving a coffee. I'm gonna go downstairs, get a coffee, and I made cornflake tart yesterday, so I'm gonna get myself a slice of that as well. So I'm back upstairs now. It is currently 10:30, so I'm gonna just do my fingernails, I think, and then I might do my toenails tomorrow or something, because I'm actually pretty tired. I didn't go to sleep till like 3 AM last night, and I don't even know why. Like, I just can't seem to be like to go to sleep early or at a decent time whilst being in quarantine. It's been really weird. Like, I've been struggling to just fall asleep. I got my cornflake tart, which is here. I made this yesterday and it's so nice. I love cornflake tart. Reminds me of school so much. I've also got my coffee. I love coffee so much. This is probably one of the reasons why I'm not sleeping. Oops. So I have my nail stuff. I've got my clippers, got my nail file, I've got my buffer, my well, this is to shine the nails afterwards, and then I've got the buffer as well, and then I've got my nail paints. I was gonna do my toenails, like I say, I was gonna paint them white, but I'm not gonna do that tonight because it's just getting late now, so, and I don't want this video to go on forever. So I've got my black nail varnish and then the top coat. So whilst I'm doing my nails, I'm gonna watch YouTube, I'm gonna eat my cornflake tart, and yeah. nails are done. I just painted them black. I like the look of black nails. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, but I really like the look of them, especially when I'm tanned. It looks so nice. So that's both of my nails done. I'm really happy with how they turned out. But yeah, so now I am gonna just chill. I've got my cornflake tart to eat because obviously whilst I was doing these I didn't have a chance to eat it. I've got that to eat and my coffee to drink, so I'm just gonna chill for about 10 minutes while I eat and drink that, watch some YouTube again, and then it'll be bedtime. That is me done for the night now. I've had my bath, I've done my hair, I've done my nails, done my face mask, had a little bit of a pamper evening. I haven't done my nails in ages, like the longest time. I can't even remember the last time I did it. But yeah, so it's been really nice actually, just to have a chill night, do my face mask, do my nails, just chill out, do my skincare. And yeah, it's been lovely. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to end it here because it is now 11 o'clock. So I need to get myself into bed. I'm going to go brush my teeth because I've finished my cornflake tart now and finished my coffee. So I'm going to go brush my teeth, get into bed and settle down for the night. So yeah, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!